The broken gate I've rebuilt over, well, several months to do it on a bit of time. New piece of oak down the end. Put the straps around the end because instead of doing it properly with the mortise and tenon, I dowelled it because I didn't want to make the gate any shorter. Down the bottom here, patch that in where that had been split out. So I used a bigger hinge. And that's on the other side. Before it gets installed, the bolts will be cut down. Bit out there, it's second-hand bit of timber. I pointed out the other day I should have routed all that off, the same as done all around here. But it'll do a job.